Interesting facts about lemurs. Lemurs are amazing creatures. Looking at them, one is amazed at how they can instantly move from a state of relaxed bliss into a state when they are ready to run and escape from any danger. Living in large groups, lemurs are truly unique, unlike any other animal. Cautious and shy by nature, however, they can gradually get used to a person and begin to trust him. True, it will take a lot of time. Lemurs live only in the Comoros and Madagascar. You will not find them anywhere else on Earth. In nature, there are more than 60 species of lemurs. This species of primates is the least similar to humans. The smallest of the existing lemurs is mouse. It weighs no more than 30 grams, and the length of its body without a tail does not exceed 10 centimeters. Some species of lemurs use the earth as an antidote for poisonous substances contained in the leaves of certain trees. To communicate with relatives, lemurs need 12 sounds. The largest species of lemur is the indri. These animals weigh about 10 kilograms with a body length of up to 90 centimeters. Lemurs, if necessary, can fall into long hibernation, while their body temperature is compared with the ambient temperature. Almost no other mammal is capable of this. Demonstrating their sympathy, lemurs sought out the wool of the object of their adoration with the help of their teeth. Lemurs live in large friendly families, fights and conflicts in which are a vanishing rarity. In their natural habitat, lemurs live from 20 to 27 years. Lemurs in the distant past moved from continental Africa to Madagascar on wooden rafts, seeking salvation from predators. The ancient Romans called lemurs the souls of the dead, who cannot find peace and continue to wander the earth. Translated from Latin, the word lemurs means ghost of the night. In lemur families, females, not males, play the role of leaders. Mothers carry their offspring in their mouths until the babies learn to hold on to their fur on their own. Lemurs become adults at 2 years old. Hungry lemurs are able to eat even rotten wood. The favorite food of lemurs is dates. These fruits can make up to half of the annual diet of animals. Lemurs are able to use their tail to direct smells in the direction they need. This is one of the ways to communicate with each other. The tails of lemurs are longer than their bodies. In some species the length of the tail exceeds half a meter. Blue-eyed lemurs are the only non-human primates that actually have blue eyes. Lemurs are able to slow down their metabolism when there is a lack of food. The morning singing of indri lemurs, with which they designate their rights to the occupied territory, is heard at a distance of up to 2 kilometers. About half of lemur cubs die in the first year of their lives. They are usually born, unfortunately, quite weak. From a biological point of view, lemurs are primates, like monkeys or humans. Among primates there are such species that differ from the detachment. One of these are lemurs. This species of primates is the least similar to humans. The closest relatives of lemurs are loris. About 60 to 80 million years ago they evolved from a common ancestor when the branches of evolution split. Previously, there were 60 species of lemurs, and since 2008, 93 species of lemurs are known. All species are divided into 6 families. Lemurs of each species differ in their size, slightly structure and, of course, colors. The main types of lemurs are graceful, thick-tailed, dwarf, squirrel, gray, collared, black, mongoose and feline. Giant lemurs used to live on Earth, but they have long since died out. Lemurs are mostly nocturnal animals with large and round eyes. Lemurs live mainly in trees, and can also move through trees. Only a few species live on Earth. Since lemurs are nocturnal primates, they feed and stay awake at night, and during the day they sleep in trees or in shelters that they build or find themselves. The population of Madagascar is afraid of lemurs. People think that by killing a lemur, they will bring a curse on themselves and die in a year. The family marks their kingdom with urea. The territory in possession can be up to 80 hectares of land. Lemurs are often endangered by predators. They are preyed upon by snakes, hawks, owls, mungos, fossa and dogs. On average, 25% of lemurs annually become their victims. But this does not interfere with the population, as they multiply rapidly. There is almost never conflict between lemurs, so they live in complete harmony with each other. Lemur hair is so thick and dense that it can clog electric clippers. Lemurs are seed dispersers. Pollen and seeds of plants remain on the fur of animals, and they carry them from one area of Madagascar to another. Lemurs heal themselves. Red-fronted brown lemurs eat centipedes to get rid of gastrointestinal parasites. Lemurs are the most ancient primates in the world. Their history began over 70 million years ago, when the ancestors of the lemur roamed Africa along with the dinosaurs. Protecting lemurs benefits the people of Madagascar. Money from tourism is used to develop the local economy and help the survival of lemurs. Dear friends, if you liked the video, please subscribe and like. Thank you.